Okay, goodbye, Pocket 4. Goodbye. Oh no, he can't speak. Because he's dead. He had an accident. Yeah. If you're confused, like, watch this video here, wherever it is, after this video. But to cut a long story short, he had a wave accident. But we are back in business because I'm recording on his brother, the new Pocket 4, because I had the care refresh program. So I paid a small fee to get his brother, even before his brother is sent back. But I've got to send him back. This is the box that they sent this one in. So I said, you know what, just makes sense to send this one back in the same box. In he goes. Oh no, should probably say like a proper goodbye. Hi, I've got a parcel to DPD, please. This side, yeah. Got a QR code. Great, thank you. Have a good day. It's never goodbye, it's always see ya real soon, but actually I don't think I will see ya real soon, because I think that one is goodbye. But you know what, I've got to say, and I'll always say like the good and the bad, but this whole process with the DJI Care Refresh program thing, like this is the first time I've ever used it, and this has been so smooth. Like I've been so impressed at how well this like whole thing, this whole process, like hasn't even been a week, like, and I received the new one before I'd even sent the old one back. I didn't even know that was a thing until I started reading it. And I don't receive any special treatment. Like I'm still buying these cameras with my own money. I'm still purchasing the refresh program with my own money. Like it's not like I get special treatment. Like I don't get sent this shit for free. Yeah. I'm still, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is like the customer service people that I've been dealing with are like just the general customer service people that I guess any one of you would deal with. And yeah, you know what? I've just been so impressed at how smooth and like great, yeah, the communication and the service has been since the minute I pressed submit that request. So you know what? Big up to the DJI. I don't know why we always struggle. We all struggle with DJI. Hey, DJI. No. Big up to the DJI people. Bravo. Are you ready to see the source of all sauces? Bailey's caramel sauce. Oh yes. You know what? Let's try some. Oh no, I'm gonna have my sandwich in a minute. Should I try it after? Oh, okay, maybe I'll just, I'm gonna try a bit on it. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, can you see it? Let's try this bit. Oh, sticky. Ah, okay. Sandwich time.
Costco haul today.
No, you haven't done the haul yet.
Yeah, we have. This is it. And then we did Steph's as well. Hers was £155.
Yeah.
Ours was £207.
Yeah, great.
Yeah. What do you mean great?
No. So what I'm saying is the haul is where you show us, you know, what you got.
Oh, ice cream. Look, this is
What is
chestnut flavour, Korean style. It's really nice. We tasted it.
Chestnut flavour.
Really nice. You try it tonight and you'll see what I mean. They come in, I gave Steph a couple. So you open this up and you cut it into slices and have one later.
What are these? Turtle chips?
Do you remember Jack bought these from that, which shop was it, where he works? The cinnamon and chocolate flavoured ones. He got a bag.
Oh, nice.
You liked it, you tried it.
Yeah, no. I mean, I don't remember it being as big as this.
No.
But that's Costco for you.
There was a small bag, this is a big bag.
Pesto.
This is a Greek Philo's twist pie with spinach in there. That was really nice. Had a taste of that. So bought that. They were also giving out this tasters of this mushroom pizza.
But that's how they get you. They're giving out all the tasters.
Yeah, I know, but it was really nice. I had to get, there's 2 of them in there. So I think you might need to take, no, don't take them out of the bag, box. They need to go in the freezer too. Oh, knackering it is doing a Costco haul.
Haul? No, you're getting confused. The haul is this bit where you get everything out, you show the stuff. The actual bit is that you were in is the shopping bit.
Okay, potato.
So what you've just done now is a haul, so thank you for the haul.
That's all right. Just put things, freezer, fridge, freezer. Oh, and your endless amount of toilet paper that you go through.
Yep. Well, everyone goes through toilet paper.
You do, James. I don't know how many toilet rolls you go through. She wants to split them. I said I can't because when you take half of mine, I have to go back and get some more because you use them all.
Oh, I tried the sauce.
Oh, did you like it?
Yeah, try some.
What did you have it in?
Well, nothing.
Oh, okay.
I didn't have it in, I just had it off the, like the thing. I already opened it. Bailey's caramel.
Oh my God, you can taste the Baileys.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
I don't know what we're supposed to put it on.
You can put it in drinks, coffee, tea, desserts, anything. You can put it on anything you like, ice cream. Oh, that is nice. I'll have a bit more. Maybe I could make one of my, you know those Bailey's drinks I used to
Yeah, in the cans.
when I used to go to work in the morning and have one.
Yeah.
I have one of those.
The Bailey's can you used to have when you go to work in the morning.
Yeah, what were they called?
The Bailey's alcohol drinks.
Yeah, I used to have it in the morning while I was driving.
No, okay, right, cut. No,
No, I did.
you know I'm recording.
I know you're recording.
Okay.
But it's true, I used to have it and you still take the mick out of me.
Of course, because you had a Bailey's can in the morning. First of all, in the morning. Second of all, whilst you're going to work. Third of all, whilst you're driving.
Yeah. All the naughty things I shouldn't be doing, I did it.
Okay, I think we'll cut it there.
Yeah.